Hi, just a short video to show the condition of this FreePlay self-powered wind-up radio. It is also solar powered and you can use mains. Comes in a lovely transparent green colour. Telescopic aerial. Tuner on the front. On-off switch, which is also the volume control. AM, FM, a DC power socket not included. Well, the socket's included, not the power supply. Headphone socket, the solar power, and the wind up. I'll show it working quickly. If I can do this one-handed. I've got to move it to the side. So literally just
only pray for love. And just find out it's over.
it will be better. I'll just get bad reception in this room. As you can tell. And as you it's on, the winder winds down until you have to wind it up again. So it's in full working order. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.